Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, today's video is in collaboration with Wiggins Hair. They did send me this beautiful unit that I'm wearing. This hair, y'all, is so full and the hair has been washed. I did bleach the knots, so this is the hair like air dry. Do you see how full it is? So as I said, this hair is from Wiggins Hair. This is their 13x4 loose deep wave wig, and I have it in a 26-inch. I got it in a 250% density. I did get these free gifts on the insides, you know, the usual stuff that these wigs come with. And y'all, when I say this hair is full, this hair is full. You do get a true 250% density. So if you want like a fuller volume, definitely get 250, or you can get less. They have different options. But y'all, I'm heading straight into doing this hair. I'm cutting off my ear tabs. This is the hardest part for me every single time because the ear tabs are like problematic. If you cut them wrong, you're gonna have difficulty in like getting your wig on. But I did cut them okay. I bleached my knots previously and I washed the hair, hence why it looks like this. I'm cutting the hair into 3 sections. This is how I do my wigs. It's like the easiest way for me, doing it section by section. Underneath my wig, y'all, my hair is pulled back in 2 braids that are not even done properly. Your girl has nails, so let's not mind that. And my hair still was laid when I was done, but I'm just cleaning off my skin with some alcohol, and then I'm going in with the Bold Hold, the wig protect, and the skin protect, sorry, and I'm using that to clean my skin. And I'm going in with the Ebon Wonder lace, and I'm using that to install my wig. And I'm literally not doing anything different. This is how I usually do my wig unless I'm gluing it. And I'm gonna go in and add 3 layers of this. I definitely recommend putting a light layer, then blow drying it on cool for 10 seconds, and then adding another layer and doubling the seconds with each layer that you add, because it is more product to dry because you added it on top. So I'm doing that, and once I get my 3 layers together, I'm going to put the lace into the adhesive, and then I'll just do that on either sides. And that's pretty much how I put my wig on, and I'm not using glue. So after putting it into the spray or adhesive, I'm just like holding it down, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer on cool just so it'll stick. And guys, make sure that it's tacky before putting the wig on. Hair, guys, it comes pre-plucked. I believe I did pluck it a bit once I had bleached the knots and washed it out. I definitely went in and I plucked it a little bit. Really gives me the worst headache, but I do this for 20 minutes and it makes the hair blend really well and just melts the install. So after 20 minutes, I'm taking the elastic band off. I'm using a eyebrow razor and also some scissors to cut the lace off, and honestly, I feel like I didn't cut the lace off as well, or maybe it was just the way how the wig, like the front of the hairline, was set up. I was having issues with it, and after cutting the entire lace area off, I ended up doing my baby hairs off camera, but you'll see that in a minute because I was having problems with my hairline. And I did part out a thin layer all along the hairline only because I was having issues with the hairline. So I did that so it would appear like more natural looking. And I'm going in with my hot comb, y'all, and I just did that so the hair would lay nicely. And this is like the day afterwards. I did my makeup and everything. As I said, I did my baby hairs off camera only because my hairline was giving me mad trouble, but it did end up looking really cute. All I did was spray some leave-in in the hair, add some mousse, and put it in 2 twists. And the hair did like form in the shape of the twist, but I actually liked the look of it at first before combing it all out. This hair is really thick, it's really nice. It was a little tangly, and I think maybe it was the kind of leave-in that I used. I'm not gonna hold you, but other than that, it's really nice, and it has body for days. I really love the finished look of this hair. You could definitely add curling products, whatever products you like, but I didn't really want to add much to the hair. I wanted it to be flowy and free, but this is a finished look, and I'm going in with some powder. That's my shade, and I'm just putting it in a part. And for the parts of the knots that I kind of over bleached, I went in with a black mascara. A lot of people use mascara, or you will use like eyeliner to fix the roots, but I just find that this is easier, and this makes everything a lot neater and sharper. And you can tell that I had gotten bleach on the hair, but that's what we're doing. And I'm really happy that I bleached the knots because it made the hair look even better.
I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch.
I went back in with my hot comb because I love when my hair is laid. It doesn't matter if it's like curly hair or straight hair. I like when it's just like really laid. And I only went in with like some bio oil over top the hair when I was done, just to give it a little sheen. But other than that, that's all I did to the hair. This hair was pretty simple. It's really easy to style because it's already wavy. You're not curling anything, you're not even doing, you know, anything out of the ordinary. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think down below. I really like this hair and I feel like it looks poppin'. Let me know how you think I did on this install. If you like this hair, be sure to check out the description box below. All the links will be there. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Be sure to sound off in the comments. Now watch me just like show out and show y'all the beauty and the body of this hair. I love you guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much.